Double-thick adhesive layer compared to other 3M duct tapes creates an extreme hold bond on contact. Extremely strong woven material for durability. Great for bundling large loads, reinforcing and patching. Suitable for long-lasting repairs. Tiers vertically and horizontally for versatile application. Resists curling for hassle-free use. Stands up to challenging weather conditions for lasting performance. For jobs that require heroic strength, reach for 3M Extreme Hold Duct Tape. Backed by the power of 3M science, this heavy-duty tape is designed with super tough woven material and 2x thicker adhesive layer than other 3M duct tapes, providing maximum durability and a powerful hold. Ideal for your toughest repairs, indoors and outdoors, this all-conditions duct tape is waterproof for a long-lasting hold. It's so easy to apply, and doesn't require scissors to use, simply tear across or lengthwise for an immediate fix. Whether you're bundling lumber at the job site, reinforcing or patching, rely on the extreme strength of 3M Extreme Hold Duct Tape. Top reviews from the United States. Better than Gorilla. Need to hold tarp down on tin roof. Works great. Pretty sturdy tape. Definitely worth the price.